Hey guys! This time of the year, many people start suffering from cough. Cough can be a very nasty condition which doesn't people sleep in the night, and it can be very hard to get rid of. So today I want to share with you a little Chinese medicine recipe which my Professor Shao uses regularly, which is with his patients to treat cough. Let's get started. We just need 3 ingredients. 15 grams of radish seed, 15 grams of purple perilla seed, and 3 grams of white mustard seed. So now how to prepare our little recipe. It's very easy. First you take the 3 seeds and you put it in an electronic grinder or in a mortar and you grind them very roughly. Then you put the crushed seeds into a pot. You add about 300 milliliters of cold water. Then you bring the water to a boil and you boil the decoction for about 15 minutes on a low flame. At last you filter out the ingredients with a tea sieve and your medicine is ready for taking. So now how do you take our little Chinese medicine tea? For the best results, you take every evening before going to bed 1 cup of tea of this decoction and you drink it. So why now does this very little recipe help against cough? It's like this. The white mustard seeds are strong in clearing phlegm. Now the perilla seeds, they lower the qi, and Chinese medicine says by lowering the qi they prevent it from going up and coughing. So they stop cough basically. And the radish seeds, for one, they aid digestion, and for the other, they also help to clear phlegm. So who can use our little tea recipe? Our tea recipe is best for people who suffer from indigestion and have a bad appetite and who have also cough with phlegm. And those people usually, Chinese medicine says, have a tongue coating which is very thick and white. So I encourage you to look more often into the mirror and see how your tongue coating looks like and if it changes when you drink our tea. Also, when you're interested on how you can use traditional Chinese medicine to treat any particular health condition, you can just contact us and we will do our very best to make a video about it. So I hope you liked our recipe of today, and if you would like to have a little PDF summary of it, just click the link below and I will be happy to mail it to you. And last but not least, thanks for watching our program and stay healthy.